Hello guys and welcome to another video. You are watching CB Tech here. So let's start things off with some tech news. The Apple Hub has officially announced WWDC18 set to take place at the McHenry Convention Center in San Jose from June 4 through 8. This will be the 29th annual Worldwide Developers Conference. Apple is expected to announce their latest software updates, new Macs and iPads. Developers can register to attend starting today. Apple has confirmed that their March 27th education event will not be live streamed. The event video will instead be uploaded once it concludes. This comes as no surprise as this event is an education-focused event. Apple will likely launch the rumored $259 iPad at this event. Other announcements regarding the launch of Apple's AirPower and AirPod wireless charger could be revealed through press release after the event. According to Mark Gurman, Apple plans to debut the rumored $259 9.7-inch iPad next week, presumably at Apple's education event on Tuesday, which I talked about earlier in the video. He also believes that Apple is working on a new MacBook to replace the MacBook Air with a price less than $1,000. However, it is not ready yet and will likely be revealed later this year. Today, KGI Securities analyst Ming-Chi Kuo also shared that Apple may add Apple Pencil support to the new low-end cost iPad. The AirPower will also be likely announced at this event, as DigiTimes is reporting today that Apple's AirPower charging mat will be launched this month. This is the third report following Makotakara and the Apple Post claiming a possible March launch for Apple's AirPower. The news about the upcoming iPads are already out, as Taiwan's Economic Daily News is reporting that Apple plans to release a new iPad Pro with an 11-inch display at WWDC in June. With slimmer bezels and no home button, Apple could include a larger display with the same form factor of the 10.5 inches iPad Pro. Some features that are expected are Face ID and A11X processor. So enough of the talk with iPads and news of iPads. Let's talk about iPhones now. According to DigiTimes, the second generation version of the iPhone X, we don't know what it is going to be called, so that's why I am calling it the second generation version of the iPhone X, as the article says it too, will cost Apple up to 10% less to manufacture than the current flagship model. This could result in a lower entry price for this upcoming iPhone model, at least something to really cheer off. Okay, so let's talk about the most hottest news of the day. According to Bank of America analyst Wamsi Mohan, Apple is working on a foldable iPhone that they plan to launch in 2020. It has been reported in the past that Apple has been actively working with LG Display to produce foldable displays. Whoa, so this news is a completely shocker, and it clearly defines the future of the smartphones. What do you guys think about it? Don't forget to tell me in the comment section below. And thanks for watching the video, guys. If you liked and enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Peace out.